Most of us are familiar with the concept of socialization. We know that an infant is born into an already functioning social world and that a lot of work goes into raising that child to adulthood. Children are socialized by their parents, their family, and the many others around them. The objective of socialization is to make those children into individuals who understand socially acceptable ways of behaving and who are capable of adjusting their own behavior so they fit in with the expectation of others. Children are socialized in ways that produce behavior that is consistent and predictable. This means they're able to cooperate with others in mutually acceptable ways and in common endeavors. But for sociologists, socialization isn't so simple. So in this lecture, we'll look at socialization from a number of different angles that are of interest to sociologists. We'll look at socialization as an activity or a process. We'll also look at socialization as an outcome, and here we'll discuss the whole concept of internalization. And finally, we'll look at what happens to individuals who are not socialized, who have been either so badly treated by the adults around them or who have been more or less abandoned by adults. One of the examples that we'll look at is that of Jeannie, a young girl who was discovered at age 13 in California in the 1970s, who had been very badly treated by her parents. And finally, we'll look at theories of socialization. And here we'll consider attachment theory and we'll consider intersubjective theory.